Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Walden. We are going to be working on our shapes today. So let's take a look at our two-dimensional flat shapes. So our flat shapes, right, those are the ones that are kind of on their paper. They're not poking up like our solid shapes, okay? They are flat. Okay, so let's take a look. We're going to go through each shape and kind of look at the way that they can look different. Okay, so first thing we need to know is we need to know what a side is. Okay, so our sides are our straight lines usually. Okay, they can be curved, but most of the time they are our straight lines. Okay, can you show me a side? Right, show me two sides. Okay, then we have something called a vertice. Everybody say vertice. Okay, our vertices are those corners. Okay, so if we take a look at our square, our vertices are going to be those corners, the kind of like the glue that's going to hold those sides together. Okay, so how many vertices do you think are on the square? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 vertices. Now, when you are counting them on paper, I want you to make a line or circle them or dot them or do something so you know which one you started at. Because when we get to our shape like a hexagon, it's harder, there's more vertices and sides, it's harder to keep track of. So when I count my sides, I make my little tick marks. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. Okay? So let's take a look at our first shape. Our first shape is a triangle. Everybody say triangle. Our triangle can look different ways. It can look like this. Another example of a triangle. Okay, it looks small. All the sides could be equal, or some of the sides could be longer. Okay. These are all triangles. So we've got 3 sides. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to draw it, and I'm going to show you how I count the sides. So let's draw our triangle. Okay. And now I'm going to show you what I do when I count my sides. Okay. I'm going to draw these little tick marks with the little lines. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Now I see which ones I have counted. It's kind of hard to see, but I can see. I already did it with the vertices. So let's see how many vertices a triangle has. It's got 3. 1, 2, 3. And I already made those dots on those vertices. Okay? Let's take a look at our next shape. Our next shape starts with a R. What shape do you think this is? It is a rectangle. Okay? A rectangle. Okay? It has 2 sides that are a little bit longer. Okay? So our rectangle has our 4 sides. Let's draw that and show what it looks like. And let's count together. Okay, we have our 4 sides, straight sides, okay? Let's count the vertices. Ready? I'm going to make those little lines and we're going to count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And now same with the vertices. The vertices, you can kind of see those little dots on those corners. And it's got 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? When I think of vertices and sides, I think of if I am creating a shape with some Play-Doh, right? My sides are going to be my sticks, and my Play-Doh is going to be my vertices. It's going to hold those sticks together. Okay? Our next one is a special shape. It's a square. Okay? It is a square. Okay, all of these squares that I just showed you all have equal sides, and that's a very important word when we talk about square, because a square has 4 equal sides, which means they are all the same length on all sides. Okay, so let me draw our square. Okay, let's go ahead and let's count the number of sides. Ready? I'm going to make those lines every time I count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 sides. And then guess how many vertices it has? It has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Okay? Now let's look at our Trapezoid. Trapezoid. We have a trapezoid table in our classroom. Okay, I don't think it's there anymore, but we had it. It left just right before we left for spring break. But this is our trapezoid, okay? Our trapezoid is a little different. It has 4 sides, okay? It's got 4 sides. But if you notice, 2 of those sides are different lengths. One is a shorter side and one is a longer one. Okay, so when I draw it, I'm going to draw a shorter one and then a longer one and then connect them, okay? So let's count the sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Good. And then we have 4 vertices as well. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. I know this is a lot, okay? Keep with me. Okay, you guys are doing awesome so far. Okay? The next one that we have, you know, Ms.Walden always drops her markers, right? Okay, so the next one that we have is our rhombus. Now, some of you guys might look at this shape and think, oh, it's a diamond, or it's a kite, okay? But it is a rhombus. Everybody say rhombus. A rhombus, okay? So let's count the sides of our rhombus. First, I have to draw it. And now let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then we do have 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, when you are counting your sides and your vertices, you want to make a mark so that you know where you started when you were counting, so you don't keep going in circles and circles and circles, right? Okay, our next one is kind of a fun shape. You will see it when you're driving around, maybe in the car you might see it. It is a hexagon. Can you think of any shapes around outside that are hexagons? When I see this one, I think of it. It's got the word stop on it, the stop sign, right? So our hexagon has 6 sides. Well, let's count them. Now, a hexagon is really, really tricky to draw, okay? So I'm going to try my best. Okay, so I've got my hexagon. Not perfect, but I did my best. And let's count the sides, okay? Now, this shape is very, very important for you to draw your tick marks and draw your circles on the vertices as you count because of how many sides it has. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. 6 vertices, that's a lot, okay? I'm sorry, 6 sides. Those are our sides. 6 sides and our 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it does have 6 sides and 6 vertices, okay? Have you noticed something so far? All of them have the same amount of sides and vertices. Now our last shape's a little different. It is our circle. Let's see our circle. We all know what a circle is. Our circle is a little different than the rest of our shapes. It does not have our straight sides like the rest of our shapes. See, all of our other shapes are with straight sides. We can make them with sticks, right? Straight sticks. Our circle has a curved side. It's one curved side, okay? Curved. Kind of, if you put your finger like a hook, it is curved. Okay, can you show me a curve? You can use your hand, you can use your arm, right? You can use your finger, curve. We have our curve. Now, it does not have any vertices because a vertex is when 2 straight lines come together, okay? There are no straight lines, so there are no vertices, okay? It's tricky. Okay, let's just go over the names of our shapes again, and I want you I know you guys know most of your shapes' names, okay, but I want you looking at the way that they're spelled. So looking at the beginning sound so that you can be able to see that word and read that word and know what it is, okay? And we're also going to say how many sides and vertices it has. Okay, ready? Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices, okay? Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 4 vertices, okay? Square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. Trapezoid. A trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Rhombus. Rhombus has 4 sides 4 vertices. Hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides, 6 vertices. And a circle has 1 curved side and 0 vertices. That's a tricky one, okay? Awesome job, guys. Try to find these shapes in your house. See if you can find them around, or try to draw these shapes. They're tricky, but try, okay? See how you do.